Yo, ya have a single mother in Kabaka, ya o Jemmy or Wagwana. Single mother. Kabaka, I make a nephew Kiai. How a cocoa baby away. Eh, kick Kabaka no winner. We are being kick Kabaka.
Hey, lithium. I will put bombs on your nash. Listen.
You know, Kabaka, the criminal, is fucking you. He's fucking you. My brother, me, I not to distract your video.
Moderator, please. Only bell. Wesley, God bless you. You are doing a standing job. Wesley, Otioma. Governor. After Governor Grace Ivie Gbimagwan. Governor.
Itu waya bota. Why we ma why trailer to a topic in Oruto near Kenyana is why.
Explain him.
Okay, when I explain
because one of our view no my can
okay, I will respond to you. Yeah, we understand it. Gracie, Gbimagwan. So anybody when don't know what they happen, so I think I have to respond. Grace, are you there? Grace.
Mama, you meet Mufija. Baby mama and single mother. Okonoru wadoni Kabaka Hudahi. Ya Mufija.
Okay, he didn't. Okay, can you pray now because me can't say to you. Explain. So video will speak for me. Tony Kabaka no Gbimagwan. Tony Kabaka la Gbimagwan.
This agitation that you are talking about, I don't look at it like agitation. I look at it like a protest.
Father, leave.
Wait, why
In Nigeria, with what's at stake? What's your own opinion and what's your own take?
You're welcome, my brother. God bless you. You see, this agitation that you are talking about, I don't look at it like agitation. I look at it like a protest. Because these people, their forefathers live there in Benin. All their children were born abroad there in Benin. You understand? Their forefathers were born there in Benin. You see, what I see that is the problem on ground. I think they should open door for them to contest for any position. Because if they are contesting for
now you drop people now they talk so you say me I drop people. Continue.
They say I'm contesting for councillor Ward 5 of Edo State. So they will know that they are from Edo State. You know, they should give them room to contest for chairman. There's no how. If you look at the map, you do the job as agitation, the one in Benin, and you see the map, they are under Edo State. You can't take that away from that map. You see, the agitation, they divide from the principal agitation. Or let me call it protest. They divide. Because on a good day, they're supposed to have a free and fair policy flying in those things. Like, those in job, they need to be part of whatever is going on. Okay. You understand? By giving the title, by giving chance to contest election, by giving chance for them to contest for anything, even in community. I don't know if you understand. Yes. Because they live there all their life, their great-grandfather lived there before even our great-grandfather were born. Okay. So it has been in the history.
What no need. One mascot do yo near ya yo go funny man. Do yo. In our welfare no rowa otamin no roe mi rowa. ayete na tana bebo se ne no baseki na unyo ti ma unye yeki atiki wabe emi ya ekola dia na ebo baseki ndano gugbe ono but when no baseki ya matriti ya na mani buna amu yo wage ni ya wage wabege wa mute no need
Deni pefo wadami oe okeke na ni pefo nu wadami oe.
My brother, I pay for me. I know I use it to hear all those kind of nonsense. Wait to the Kabaka talk. I don't know. But now you be host. You know. In fact, we may want mute. Why I mean, none of you will be there. You know go understand.
Oe tafo ne.
Why I mean, none of you will be there. You know go understand.
Oe tafo ne.
Why I mean, none of you will be there. You know go understand.
Oe tafo ne.
Why I mean, none of you.
What did happen? Why am I this thing?
Listen, no, he mute.
Okay. Okay, while I agree.
Obaseki na akpole me na ahia agbo ya na ata we o atiki wabege enenia wabege e pana wa ti mu jayo da we fun te gbe mi venia na no ohia ho na this Saturday sha
Te pare la bi e pa ye ni me la gogo. Mo ke pe to di Kabaka na ta pa no gyoji. E to di Kabaka do gbe lo wa be do e wa ti e pa. Wa bi e pa ye ni wala na do ki o ma buwa. Governor ime wa tara fronta ina wi be wa po boyo Obaseki no sun wu no gungbe Obaseki no eza. I was so happy.
So if you give them that room, it print poster. He's going to contest, has he?
Yes, that's true.
And if he's contesting, he's going to put the state that he's contesting under.
Yeah.
You understand? It's under Edo State. You understand? My name is
one masquad we why oba lima wa palima la wo la we
You know, say many people never hear now. I mean, I made the video, you understand? So
Let me quickly drop in something. Emani, those people that are commenting now, if you don't hear my video now, they've not come across this video. Yeah, my
Edi ne Kabaka gbo ni sano e ma gbo ni kije. La be gbo wa. Wa ke o mi je menu bi. O mi o ti mi je menu kwa. E o ti gbe mi je ti jo la jo.
if you not go keep us in no.
Host, ikpe ma ya dame o eni concentrate. Inu na tai ga pe. Wa we program.
Kodi eni ma yo.
Money we not gbé pé no e ma no ogun e we
Trigger people, you dey trigger me, no play am again. I no wan use the here man.
Hey, move.
No verse, if you not verse, no verse.
Prince Gun wage Prince Gun.
okay, Prince.
The message true, a Prince Kegwa. Prince la go baba. La wa continue Messi. Origin.
Eni me hia tawo. Me man no se na Kabaka guy me no go. Maybe the way I'm seeing things now, he may later come out tomorrow to debunk the video where my hair gui. But or warning, it will be good. Where wala wo Ivie domain, Ivie domain se wala wo e video no yini. I mate o sezo veni na. O ma. But o manala dia. Oh, Kabaka, he became Oriomba. He me one several. O manala dia no dika. No manala do magwa when my ni malawo mani viedo. My with the Benis. Ni malawo ni my gui. No here tova in my deresh. When more manala dia.
Merci ni me no. Merci ni me no.
Governor.
Oh, you only name
Mujade uwe daveni give Messi for Messi is not.
Okay, Governor, I'm hearing you. Go and ask me what you want to ask me.
Okay, Messi emenu wetana we the Tony Latina.
Governor, let me explain things to you. I know we are all angry, but I just want to tell you again, Messi Bundiayi.
Get the video now.
Messi is not in support of him. Only you understand it. I say now we look get through. Now, papi mano. Osegedo yesimi, do you know a Messi? Or call it Tony Kabaka, not Takmapa. Or not drop a call your home. Are we an opinion here? So yeah,
Governor just came in now, so you came late. So we've been talking since. Governor just came to join us now. So Osegedo MSC, we understand. So I earlier called Tony Kabaka earlier today. So I not my way. If you don't even want me, Baba, and I'm not happy about it. What's Suno Epa? Why are you doing this? What's Suno? Why you against the Beninese? Oh, yeah. So with this your video where unania the just where those states we should take our time. They were not referring to those states, they were referring to the Oba of Benin, to the palace. They were understand even. So I called him. Now we may Nigeria, you over yes, a genuine age. In a way, why we say Bonaipa no tani in Malike and people this video will cause havoc on social media. Or cause even no boom. Or where excuse me, pa, or where is my own opinion. Or where everybody have his our own opinion. So no kakaboya dame where Tony Kabaka is now working against the Beninese. Oh man, no problem. No problem.
Emi no ya meta we are no we a media na our de careful. Okay, alter anywhere where you need to be careful and you need to verify no matter what. Since a Balamishi wrote on before you use any statement, it's better for him not to grant this interview. Oh, wow, avoid the interview now because there are some kind of things, there are some kind of mistaking we are made through all this media. Na another video na flag here now do deck be ladia where uteta
Imagine Minoria
effect damage na a video na no wage na kotana ba
Tony Kabaka ye gugu na.
yeah
Tony Kabaka ga oti ma na oma.
Mesika a video ni ye una kotana ba we are making no la de no do deck be do la have a mistake no ni oma no me no wa. On your man, Ogweladia, Ama Agwema me Yunugua, we teme Oheke, Eriona Heke, we miebe ma drag. Ianakwe, the power of a media. Ianakwe, power of a media. A video nani wa unana. Ode be boost the Moraya.
Exactly. Only time, not phone in your room.
Prince, go on.
Yeah,
Baba Prince, Tony Kabaka. Oh, yeah, we query, other way, have you one? Germany. Oh, yeah, we one. Oh, you one, you. Oh, read a junkie.
first of all, Ivie do no water. When we are seeing you say do, any cow no we are here at Tyrian one no I make not made any mistake. Because your mind easy.
This prayer should go to those in the diaspora. I always see. When I see you say ni money redo because my leader here do sat here hero.
I will try and use broken English so that some of my Ijo friends they will understand what
you're saying. Your blog with Ijo friends in what talk be.
Listen.
My brother last said don't Ijo friends when the boy can work a job.
If you need to we gadami on you.
Why I want to use English be say I want talk generally. I don't want just talk because say I be Benin man or I be a do man. First of all, Ijo not get any place for Benin. Benin not belongs to Ijo people. Ijo get their own state. I remember when we did amnesty that time, Ikoro and Gelegele, Ijo's way they there. They know say that place not belongs to them. They can't settle down for that place. And my Ijo friends where they listen to my voice here, una know say Ikoro and Gelegele not belongs to una. Right from time we know all these things. Una be our neighbor like our own. E not get a one at believe say now una get that place for Benin. Benin Edo State go come belongs to people where be saying na Bayelsa na they for come. They come they claim Edo State join their own state. I just they talk generally now, not just they talk one sidely because I be Edo man. It be like saying na trouble now they try generate.
Now big trouble now they try generate. And the time when we don't want to get up, say, okay, time don't reach what we'll take respond to una. Una not go like them. And una be our own. Right from time we carry on along. We carry on along to stay with us, to enjoy with us. Then now, what they bad more than, waiting una expect. Okay, come to waiting Tony Kabaka talk. Tony Kabaka right from time. Tony Kabaka no dey fight for waiting not go put money for a pocket, waiting not go benefit him. Anything where Tony Kabaka dey fight, if he not go put money for a pocket or not go benefit him, he not dey put hand. And secondly, that utterance where Tony made, no, not 2 days surprise. Tony na betrayer to re-Edo people, and in the love Ijaw people, in the fear Ijaw people right from time. I know what they talk. Now fear make them talk all those things. Una not go understand where they talk from. Una feel say, okay, he just talk. No, not dread, he dey dread them.
Right,
Because he not get sense. Because Tony Kabaka really gets sense. He really gets sense as an Edo man. Me no even believe say Tony not from Edo, because when Tony they grow up, not be Benin Tony for grow. Mona go confirm where. Now Barak for Lagos Tony for grow. Tony not grow for Benin. Make una try go ask question about Tony Kabaka. Tony not grow for Benin. Tony Kabaka was a soldier. Now music he dey play for soldier. All those band where soldiers they get, the way police they get band. Soldiers get their own band. Now band Tony Kabaka father they play for military. Now there Tony for learn those music, they travel go north. That's why you see say Tony they speak Hausa very well. He they speak Yoruba very well. He not stay Benin. Now after where Bobby's were done they take over small. Bobby's were done they Agbero. Bobby's were done they come up. He done they do well for Agbero. Now Tony Kabaka take come from north and Lagos where he dey. Come they also Bobby's were come bring them up. They fix some meter revenue. Tony not do anything for Benin, say work for Benin. That's why he communities for Benin now. Tony not get history, one community where he don't day or where he don't fight for, where he don't follow, fight freedom, the community can't succeed. No, he always hide for one side. So Tony, he don't laugh of way now we be Benin where mostly the diaspora no understand. Now we stay Benin, we grow for Benin, we run things well before we can travel. So Tony na traitor right from time. Now we no understand. Tony they betray me. Okay, man, see the way we youth take stand with him. We be say it succeed at Kugbe Ventures. You know, una not see how big Tony be that time. But after he start to betray everybody we stand for him, see Tony now. It could be like fish, it could be like burger where they put near fire where they dry every day. Even with the money where governor give him, you not see the scene for a body. He go party, go they play band like slave. He not. Una know they see he perform, una know they see where say this guy, he not really get true leadership. If Tony na person will get true leadership, if a big pass people like Tom Polo for Benin, if a big pass them because of the way where Benin people take show and love, take guide and take stand with them. But at the end of the day, he's a greedy man. He's always there for himself.
Who dropped that man? Who be moderator when he drop this man when they talk? Youngster when he drop Prince. A moderator don't drop them. Who dropped this man when they talk?
Maybe na network. Maybe na.
Who dropped this man when they talk?
He
Who
say
dropped man?
wait. He say Prince na mudia sister in your way.
They say, oh God, shut up. Let me block you. I don't mute you. I go block you. Who they say now? They should bring that man up.
He say Prince Collins na Abakojoba. In your way, Otima, sister Ivie Mudane. Only beg where or where Prince Collins or where na Abat Ogyoba, maybe you know where. Lade Prince where platform again. Oga Batia.
Okay, we are batting now.
Okay, we are batting. Okay. Only Ben,
Only Ben, Oga, our police. Ufie go say, wa mo fi ja. Ya mo fi ja ogun ogba ba ti gbe Kabaka bai. Iba bo le ye pe. Abo ki your back of blue merit yan sun.
My sister,
I told the cause o mi je me ogwe. Aba ti ka kere president onya bona. Ogun ba gbe. Anybody when they support that bat we call this platform Ogun Agbo. They support that bat, you they go the platform and you come here come talk. tó
Ah,
ní
wa
Kabaka
mo gbìyàn.
ogún àgbọ̀ mọ́.
Iya wi en wa, ya wi en wa. Ogun ya peli ya hi, ya wi en wa.
Ọkwa.
Ogun ya
Ọkwa
peli.
ya mo gbìyàn. Ọkwa ya mo
Supporter
gbìyàn.
Ya wa.
máa mú ẹnu gbá agbọ̀nà ògún gbẹ̀lẹ̀ mọ́jú àwọn ọmọ náà tó tó kù wọn náà. Àwa bẹ̀rẹ̀ àwọn ọ̀ya wa blọ́ọ̀kì ẹnu.
Okay. Esse.
Anigi.
Give me a platform in Mena. And see what we do.
So next person. Why the gbé mu ẹ̀bọ́ ẹ̀ nínú òun dání àti tó kù yóò bá
Only me. Bagwan. Only me. Obeti.
Ekene je enozi tero. Emine mene wa taban emine wa taban o wa mu mi adodo kun. Emine wa ta wa gba. O wa gba.
Gbẹ́bọ́ gbẹ́ni gbẹ́bọ́ gbé Kabaka gbẹ́bọ́ gbé yà. Orí ọba náà.
Ebi tí a bó gbẹ̀lẹ̀ tó ní. Ebi tí a bó
Efe wa domo wa be e kai no ga agwa ban. Wa gbi o. Asasu wa domo wa bi dole o. Asasu wa bege be osia bati no. Wa bege issue no roto na. Wa no se me na wo yo. E issue mani be do ado pick. Former governor Nemila. Ona za we Kabaka. Ma ya fe dere. And the Kabaka bege ni gbe Kabaka ga ado. O mo egwa. Kodao. Ona ya deceive. Abati maro wie to there. So emi sunu emi madere ba. Ofun nene former animal no ka be rule Edo State. Amaka bi azuo ega o senado anado change. Mana ma emi no sunu be do. Anega ni mani wi Edo State mana gwa bi are mila na yeke. To bolle le bi abi gogo wa sef mana bi akobole le be why you go scatter here this one that one. Amadere no sunu.
Wala akobole le be ba akobole le wan dey be ba support.
But me based on Edo we know the lack of pressure. We fight against we fight that fight then. Until working ya go hotel this one wetin dey happen. We know the way still go. Then I dey against Obaseki. We issue ni. So etien wala wa bia kan dan ye issue na observe say na ya pikin ya fe la dian. Emi o sunu veke ni. Ya say mo wa be ya mi o say ni na dava tebe ya bi ni museum mati ame be ya. So wa gare issue na gba yan. Yan fe so e kwa be boy no ga agwan ban. Yen te gba bia nan e sadi yen wa be ile han mana wa te be ba fi le claro. Yen ni ga be ka
Baba, ukwara ti mutana. But you no carry your bag ekema. So long go your bag no support.
wa be de yo wa wese.
So eme no
Ni wa be de yo
rita.
video sha.
Iye o, Kabati o, Kabaka o, iye ya fe. Exactly. Iye ya asungu for national peace.
Wese otien.
You don't care
Yeah,
about
dey issue wa carry on. Oni wa be de yo wa wese.
So long go your bag
Never
no
run fire
asungu.
for.
So we don't know them. They should go. So next person, please.
Only me.
Baba
Only
only
me.
for Agwaba.
Only me.
Busy. Ekeje de busy.
Okay.
Problem is Williams.
William.
Ojú wàyà náà pa ò wàyà bọ́tà. Ọ̀pẹ
Abu Rabe Ukegwa, a supporter party were here. Orioba Labat.
wẹ̀rẹ̀ tọ́nà pé ó kàlà títọ́kì mọ́ rẹ̀ náà.
Everybody want Otara Egui Otara no.
Mẹ́wọ́ ṣe yẹn mẹ́ blọ́kì yẹn wàrí àná kẹ́kẹ́ wàrí àbẹ̀.
Baba.
Nẹ́ẹ̀nà ìwé ni wà contribute wà wẹ́sẹ̀ jẹ́ fídíò wíwá náà ni mẹ́ẹ̀dó jámì náà mẹ́ Martin yẹn wé Kabaka wọ́ wé fídíò but according to the way wàyà explain bana mẹ́ẹ̀dó yà yẹn the content of a video no even up till now I made the video but while explaining the loopholes in order read the video no headed them in number when emanibun iyan pretend lele viedo you understand oye we ere no kan we yaro very dere ni ma ya le lo ba se kikan wa bere igbina nibun ni Ivie Soga Agbina, especially Kabaka, a benefit of real politics. Original Agbina, anyway, in case Mara Agbina and all the favor APC. Everything Agbina they do, Igbo Agbina now. You understand? And one thing why a Kabaka Ruswema ni Miro, the Tatita, or a Tompolo. You understand? Ye ruswe mani miro vevani. Oze una berewe. Ve na gwa sena. we na complain say o matter mo pa oyan do gun na wa bere we no do ya je gbe you know it. That's to tell you we e mani bun wa ro iyan gu we aro we yan benefit mi wo bowe iyan ma benefit mi wo bowe iyan wa se we aye junction. Thank God now we mani bun ma me especially mani re we bona ma sociedo even a woman enibu yerere no ze wiyan me wa vie gbiyan lajan foru dayan enwe iyan ra we lajan ma siyan bolo amani re we bona the way ni mani re we boya sociedo e mani go wa iyan overlook emi ni ma bere yan bere you understand don't know why matter no go kabaka the way no why ya una yẹn wá lè choose sáàdì yẹn nẹ then má lè aya oníyàlẹ lẹhìá you understand ọniwà náà ọsẹ gbèsò ọmọ àrà pass through pain ọmọ náà pass through sorrow àtúwọn ẹrùdà mẹ́rin náà mú ẹ̀jẹ̀ bá ní ọsẹ mẹkẹ gbọmọ sọrí ìrùdà mẹ́ẹ̀ẹ́dìyàn yóò bọ ẹ̀yà sí òbẹ̀rẹ̀ ọyẹ́bẹ̀rẹ̀ ní àyà gbọ̀rẹ̀ òtẹ́. Me maton Ruda man in we go no but maton Ruda many people ni pass through pain where na ke no kwon ke ya ni bon yo biyan ya si but at the end of the day mado atawe oh very sorry and we minding your boy ya si e kabaka na e owa fuck up according to the way no ya gwan and the baba ta se very always arrive do ni sore badima ni sore badima ni nika ovinya ladan iyan fe ko ladan na and ma se ti munya yekeni ekeno keke na kabaka de bayan na amave obo ni yen moja yi ne den ma ni vieto ma bi ayobo ni ya lele ki an ni wa we ni tawo wa wese
West Summer.
Okay, let me go down to you. Waya domo. Erima eboni ati ewu keke na. Oswa abe madan ore edoni nedo. Oswa vient la diane kere. Oswa vient la diane. Okay, ma we no madame doni. Awo ofenoro wana ya hame ofenoro ewe ewiro gwa. Ya ekomi ana kere ani ya hia jegbi amma. Etie doni okin aranu wa okin amia e. Awo ofenoro wa no ya hame ofenoro ewe ewiro gwa. Abe man ya deba ori owe lele do gbina. Edo ni kan oto do kan ara okin ara nu wa okin ami ya e oni ati eni okin asebe gbiyan okin asebe gbiyan eboni ati eni okin asebe gbiyan ya ye yore no wi mo do ni ya imabo even edo isamena no inwo ne edo via la wane vient la one iya itawe okay bi yan kin edo otonedo ni okin arato okin aranu wa okin ami ya e okin age go that way agbe no wa ma se agwa
ọmọ náà wẹlẹ wọn bá lẹsẹ mẹtọ.
so on me beta wo ko se deputy ekele wa le ta e la se go ko be kere wa ya domo
ba ye kale kwa du ihu ye gwande. Ọmọ náà wẹlẹ wọn bá lẹsẹ mẹtọ. Yo izagodo yo wibaro. Òpè àrínà òkú òrínà nà rí fíọ̀rìọ̀rì bẹ́gbé tó yá mú ẹ̀dọ́ mẹ́rìá ìgbìyà ìzàgódó ìyá ẹbọ́ kí a gbé o ẹbọ́ yàrá fíọ̀rì àjẹ̀wò ẹ̀dọ́ ẹni kan o gbẹgbẹgbẹ ọwọ́ yìí afẹ́fẹ́fẹ́ nà bá mú ọ̀rẹ́ ẹ̀dọ́ nà máa ẹni kan ọwọ́ tí yàrá sí ẹ̀yà wẹ́làdìyà ọ̀wúnu yà ẹ̀yà àtẹ̀ ní àwùlẹ̀ yìí. Ebi o fi ka je ni a. E bo no fi la je bo edo. Awo gbo bi amo, o ga gbe no mo me yo ba won bo. O pe aki no ko ki no ki fi o mi yo be won bo. Do ya we ni edo mu edo gboto do ya mi edo kegbe. Ra do ya we ne mo ba ese bo edo. Ra do ya president do ya fi o bo yi edo hun. O fi o bo bi edo yo bi edo hun. E bo na mu la je bo edo be de bo ki agbe yan, o ga gbe mo. Agbe amo o. Ogun ye. Ogun ya gbori o ba ya o. Iwe nu gbe Kabaka ba e o. Ogun ye o. E Kabaka fi o bego ido ayu wi mane do wa ke Kabaka o. Iwogun ugbe Kabaka o. Ogun ye. Ogun agbo e. O pe ado okwo no we ne me ba se do. Ogun agbe amo ya wa. Ugbe.
Ugbe.